How to fix GTFO FPS drops, stuttering and performance issues on Windows. 1. Install the latest game patch. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Set the power plan of your PC for high performance. 4. Modify graphics card settings. 4.1.1. For NVIDIA players, add GTFO into the Manage 3D Settings section under NVIDIA Control Panel. 4.1.2. In the Specify the settings for this program section, use these settings: max frame rate, set it to a frame rate below your monitor's current refresh rate. Preferred refresh rate, highest available. OpenGL rendering GPU, set it to your NVIDIA GPU. Maximum pre-rendered frames, 1 power management, prefer maximum performance. Low latency mode, ultra. Vertical sync, fast. Texture filtering, quality, performance. 4.2 for AMD users, refer to the IMG below to modify the global gaming settings. 5. Disable scheme overlays. 6. Disable background recording and Xbox Game Bar.